Dear students of class 10th, today we shall study the second topic of your chapter of biology, that is reproduction. First we have studied a couple of days before what is reproduction, what is the importance of reproduction. Today we shall study types of reproduction. As per is types of reproduction, kich qism his reproduction types छ yus tun as per your syllabus as parun छ. There are two types of reproduction, asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. The type of reproduction that is asexual reproduction, sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction. In asexual reproduction, the offspring arises from a single parent. Offspring go use tide bach no zevan, use tide no generation zevan ch. The asexual go without sex go achan sex cells involve hoga sa ki the arises from a single parent. Pakui pe the parent is zurat yeti ki go asexual reproduction. It is that type of reproduction in which a single parent is involved. Aki parent mans generation bro paka. They reproduce the production of new organisms from a single parent without involvement of sex cells or gametes is called asexual reproduction. Production of no generation from a single parent yat sex cells gametes sex cells in case of sexual reproduction involve hoga sa tum chen yed gasa involve ki a type of reproduction one asexual reproduction without the involvement of sex cells. It is called asexual reproduction because it does not use special cells called sex cells. Chunki atma sex cells are gametes involve hoga sa ki tawai atwana asexual reproduction for producing new organisms. In asexual reproduction, a part of parent organism separates off and grows into a new. Yus parent organism, say issue organism, nimish ak part ak ye dra imik part gasa detach, imik part such gasa detach. This detach gas alag gas touch bana no organisms go tem matlab z parent chan involve hoga sa ki. Thus, in asexual reproduction, only one parent is needed to produce a new organism. Akui parent is zurat ki yani akui parent is zurat yim per is generation bro paknawa chi yat no generation pakam bro. Some of examples of asexual reproduction kum you go introduction of asexual reproduction. Some of the examples of asexual reproduction are, for example, binary fission in amoebas much binary fission gasa, budding in hydras much budding gasa go silent rate, spore formation in fungus much spore formation gasa is asexual reproduction, regeneration in planaria much body part regenerate gasa, fragmentation in Spirogara and vegetative preparation in flowering plants means though you fruit and this flower nera ch تمن منٛز ihnd vegetative part استعمال کران نم سٲری method چھِ تم یِمن منٛز زٕ parent استعمال گژھان چھِ کہِ گوٚو these are types of asexual reproduction. تیٚلہِ کیٛاہ گوٚو asexual reproduction? That type of reproduction یَتھ منٛز اَکُے parent involve گژھان کہِ یَتھ منٛز sex cell involve گژھان چھِ کہِ یَتھ منٛز parent cell یُس آسان چھِ تَمہِ منٛز body part detach گژھان چھِ بَنان چھِ نوٚو اکھ organism. تہٕ اَمیُک گۄڈٕنیُک یُس چھُ اکھ type that is binary fission. Binary fission is an asexual method of reproduction of organisms. In binary fission, the parent organism splits or divides to form two new organisms. Ath manٛz چھِ parent organism binary go زٕ ہُتھ پٲٹھۍ أکِس parent organisms split گژھان break گژھان پھٕٹان تَتھ بَنان زٕ دُشوَے چھِ پَتہٕ نٔے organism بَنان نٔے organism اَتھ منٛز بَنان. The parent organism ceases to exist and the two daughter organisms came into existence. چوٗنٛکہِ یُس parent organism چھُ ییٚلہِ تَتھ زٕ بَنے سُہ روٗد نہٕ parent کینٛہہ تَتھ بَنے زٕ تِم زٕ چھِ نَیہِ پٲٹھۍ نٔے زٕ بَنان سُہ چھُنہٕ پَتہٕ ایٚگزِسٹ گژھان کینٛہہ. Unicellular organisms like amoeba یُس amoeba چھِ protozoan منٛز چھِ یِوان یہِ paramecium leishmania bacteria یِم گٔے سٲری unicellular paramecium یہِ تہِ چھِ protozoan منٛز leishmania یہِ تہِ چھِ protozoan منٛز بیٚیہِ گٔے bacteria یِم چھِ کران دے پرٛوڈیوٗس باے binary fission یعنی fission کیٛاہ گوٚو پھُٹُن binary کیٛاہ زٕ یَتھ منٛز اکھ parent أکِس parent cell دۄن منٛز گژھان break چھِ دۄن بَنان ژورَن بَنان 8 یِتھ پٲٹھۍ چھِ یِم پَنٕنۍ یہِ مطلب پرٛوڈَکشَن برونٛہہ پَکناوان. Amoeba reproduces by binary fission dividing its body into two parts. For example, amoebas پَرو أمِس چھُ یُس اَتھ چھُ binary fission گژھان أمِچ body part چھِ گژھان دۄن منٛز گژھِ تہِ گژھُن چوٗنٛکہِ binary means the dividing into two. Kith put, when amoeba cell has reached its maximum size of growth, then the nucleus of the amoeba lengthens and divides in two parts. Yel emis full growth asa gamos chi amoeba cell, emuk nucleus yus asa chi body maz. So nucleus chi lengthens kya go bada pat kya lengthens and divide gonet gasa nucleus. Tempat kya nucleus nibir kya cha yat cytoplasm vanash. After that cytoplasm some cytoplasm of the amoeba divides into two, one around each nucleus. Chunki z nucleus बनाए पत गो cytoplasm सिद गज दोन मस divide तो प्रथ को nucleus and is yati panun cytoplasm yati panun cytoplasm. In this way, one parent amoeba divides to form smaller amoeba. Is the parent amoeba bana z amoeba go plural bana z called daughter. Human is daughter amoeba bana ch. The two daughter amoeba produce to grow to their full size by eating food and divide to produce 4 amoeba. Yelma z bane for food khewa to banashum board bane z patch te divide gasa banash don banash so go amoeba produced by binary fission. It uses produce this paramecium. It lashmine use kala azar disease te kara the switch kara by this atmos kya got nucleus gasa divide pas cytoplasm gasa divide pat gasa tum detach alag bana z organisms to tum ch pat finally growth kara tum tish pat divide gasa go this process is called binary fission. Tawai ch unicellular organism ch generation beach within minutes or within hours divide gas ki disease causing organism multiple jaldi kara no yo method so te tawai tum jaldi separate gas tihins ya yo teda ch jaldi hora wo hamo to figure yat me pata tail binary fission ek chi yeti figure hoyet book pet you go parent amoeba fully grown amoeba you go nucleus you go cytoplasm ek parent cell पक तो ब्रो एक nucleus अमुक lengthen यू थोड़ा nucleus गुमुत योर थोड़ा sizes गुमुत कम मगर योर हर आमुत ये lengthen nucleus lengthens गो तम पत क्या गस इस अकु amoeba तम पत एक यम जाय nucleus गुमुत divide यू गो यम side योर गो cell यू गो निम side गो यह त्या पनुन यो यम जाय निब गस निम जाय detach यू गो यम यथा cell membrane वाना ची sides यू गो nucleus अमुक ये बने nucleus divide into two याद बने अलग nucleus याद बने अलग nucleus एक गो यम जाय ये थोड़ा बे त्रा यम जाय गसन cell membrane गस यम जाय अलग गस छोनी निम जाय या अलग cell या अलग cell एक यम गो यम जाय पति divide गसन यत पनुन अलग membrane यम जाय यत अलग बने एक cells बने z amoeba it put binary fission गसन इथे पट गसन paramecium में लक्ष्मीनेस में थैंक यू